My name is Mike. I live in Bradford, Massachusetts. We are the GCs of this project, the general contractor. So the problem was a foundation issue. The foundation was pushing in and it needed to be repaired correctly. You guys have been amazing from start to finish. Your pricing, your communication, all the way down to the ground crew here, the foreman, all day has communicated the whole way. I can't say enough good about you guys. It has stabilized the foundation for the next homeowner. It's what needed to be done. Again, it was done correctly, and moving forward, it's just added value to the property. Experience, pricing, all the way down the line. I would 100% recommend you guys, and we will be using you guys moving forward. The easiness of dealing with you guys, again, the communication, you don't get that from other contractors. Been doing this for 42 years. You guys made this easy.